Diggersaurs by Whaite. Diggersaurs. What's bigger than a digger? Bigger than a dinosaur? Diggersaurs are bigger. Turn the page to find out more. Scoopersaurus. Diggersaurs dig with bites so big, each scoop creates a crater. Chomp! Excavatorsaurus. They're tough and strong, with necks so long they're super excavators. Kerlonk! With cheery smiles, they dump huge piles of rubble off their backs. Rumble! Dumpersaurus. Breakersaurus. They shake around and break the ground. Don't fall into the cracks. Rat-a-tat-tat-tat. Wreckersaurus. They smash down walls with wrecking balls and make themselves all dusty. Crash! Honk honk! Grabbersaurus. They crunch and munch old cars for lunch. Their favorite ones are rusty. Crunch! Dozersaurus. They really love to push and shove massive mounds of rocks. Scrape! Stackersaurus. They pack and lift and stack and shift and build tall tower blocks. Chug, chug, chug. Drillersaurus. With spiky scales and pointy tails, they spin and drill deep holes. Rollersaurus. There won't be lumps or humps or bumps wherever this one rolls. Toot toot. Mowersaurus. This one feeds on plants and weeds and mows the grass so green. Nom nom. This one's busy brushing, sweeping, keeping things all clean. Beep beep. Sweepersaurus. There's nothing bigger than a diggersaur. All together, hear them roar. Chomp, kerlunk, rumble, rat-a-tat-tat-tat, honk honk, crunch, scrape, chug chug chug, whirr, toot toot, nom nom, beep beep. The end.